How you doing, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we have been working on this 2019 Audi A5. So this customer has travelled down to us for the Genuine Audi Highline Reversing Camera. I feel like we do a lot of these, but then there are a lot of people that get booked in for these because they want genuine equipment that offer them seamless integration and reliability. So that's the reason why we do so many. Haven't seen an Audi A5 for a while, and this one's a little bit more involved because of where you make the data connections in the vehicle. But once it's all in and done, you then get a nice moving guidelines on the camera, all up on the main navigation display. But also this customer's had traffic sign recognition activated by us. So you have to have some basic parameters met for the traffic sign recognition to work. One of them being what they call the A5 camera up on the windscreen. If you don't have that, then there's certain things that we wouldn't be able to do anyway unless you start having those fitted with this new glass and everything else. It starts to get expensive. There are a lot of cars out there like this that are ready to go for traffic sign recognition. Why Audi didn't just tick a box and add it at the time of programming, we don't know. But then the main dealers can't add it on as wooden dollars, so therefore we can buy an activation dongle and do that for you. So this is a 2019 Audi A5 traffic sign recognition and a Highline reversing camera. Now join me inside, and what we do is we just show you the reversing camera in action and the limited display that you get in the workshop here, because we are on a business park, so there's not really much to see in terms of road signs. And we've tried jumping around in front of the camera with a made up one, but it didn't really work. No, we didn't really do that. So anyway, join me inside and we'll have a look on the view. Right, sat in the car, and we've got the standard newer style. This was the beginning of the facelift of these newer models, that they came out with this teeny weeny display. And Audi then learned their lesson pretty quickly that people wanted bigger systems. This isn't motorized, it's basically turn it on and off. That's about it. On the Audi A3 model, it was motorized. You could hide it behind into the dashboard. But either way, we've then got, so if I start the engine up, pop it into reverse gear, and as soon as we put it into reverse gear, you've got your Highline reversing camera with your moving guidelines, and you've got your factory optical parking sensor that, if you didn't have these front and rear sensors, you would just get a strange picture of a car with a video camera image on there. And again, I'm critical of Audi just because of the fact that you spend all this money on this car. Why didn't they do what they had for many, many years and do a full screen reversing camera with the overlay of the parking sensors? Then that way you would have got a really nice image. But they've decided to go down with this little tiny 60/40 or 70/30 type display, and it's just not wide enough. But anyway, I don't make this kit, so I'm just fitting it and reviewing it. In the menu here, top right hand corner, you can do a right click on the jog wheel, and this will give you certain bits and pieces to do with parking sensors and camera. If you had a tow bar, you could have trailer mode and other such stuff on there, but that's it. There's no other views on the Highline camera like you do with the Volkswagens. It's just this. So leaving that and putting the car back into park like so, just press the parking button, turn that off. We've also done traffic sign recognition. Now there isn't that much to see in the vehicle itself. Let's just see settings, new, because I think it's going to be under car. Just 1 second. So car, speed warning, You're going to get traffic sign based, if you can turn on and off. So if you're doing 40 and a 30, it's going to then see, the camera's going to see that you're doing 30 miles an hour, and then give you that warning. And that's then going to help you with that side of things. On the instrument cluster, which is where it interacts mostly, you can scroll left to right along the top here, and you can go to the main display. This is the date and time. Now, using the jog wheel, we can go down and choose the various options. In here, we've got traffic sign recognition. Now, we're not on a digitized road, we're in our workshop, which is in a private business park. But if we were to take the car out onto the road, which we would do in a Mo, then we will show you exactly the indication of what you're going to get up on this display. And that's all it is traffic sign recognition, that will then notify you and warn you of certain speed limits and restrictions, because it's active. It's picking up the road sign that is fixed to the side of the road. And that's it. So this is an Audi A5 2019, and we've done the Highline camera and the traffic sign recognition. And during the video as well, you will see a pop-up, or at the end here, you'll see a pop-up of the signal or the picture that we're going to get up on this instrument cluster. It's not a virtual cockpit, it's just a normal it's normal instrument cluster, but you'll be able to see what you're going to get with traffic sign recognition. So if you've got a vehicle like this and you want one of these two retrofits that we've done, all genuine equipment, don't forget to get in touch with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family. Have a good day, and thanks for watching.